Hello everyone, welcome to Meda's Bridge. Let us learn SQL, a structured query language, is also known as SQL. Visit us at our YouTube channel Meda's Bridge. Please subscribe the channel if yet to be. Thanks for your support. Here is the today's agenda. Here are the sample records in DB table, and these are the queries which we are going to see. Work with where class in SQL query. For writing where class, we use keyword where. Where class statement comes with select query. Here is the syntax. Select star from medasbridge.students where course is equal to AAM. Select star means we are asking query to retrieve all the columns from medasbridge.students, and also we are specifying the class that where course is equal to, here is the course column, is equal to, this is equal to operator ensures the match of this value. That means under the course we have AAML 2 records. After executing this query, class query, the query will fetch the records with matches AAML. See, we have seen only 2 records with value AAML. Only those 2 records got fetched by the query with the where class. Now look into the next query. This query says select ID comma name. Here we are specifying the column names from the medasbridge.students, and we are giving a class that where course is equal to AAML. Here is the data. We are asking to select only these 2 columns, ID and name, from the table student where course is equal to AAML. Here is course, and we have 2 records under the course, 2 cell values. After executing this query, the query fetches only those 2 records where course is equal to AAML, not records, only those 2 columns. It will not display whole record, only those 2 column information where under the course we have AAML, the course value AAML. See, this way we the query fetches the information from student table. Now coming to the next query, it is same as the first one. We are giving class that where ID is equal to 1. Select star, that means it gives the information of all columns from students, but where ID is equal to 1. That means look at the table. Here ID, under ID we have one value, the value 1. Only this record, whole record, will be displayed after executing this query. The query fetched only the single record because ID is a unique. ID is equal to 1. We are asking because this is we have given start. That means it will fetch whole record where ID is equal to 1. Coming to the next query. Here the class says select star from medasbridge.student where age is less than or greater than and greater than 23. That means the record, after executing the query retrieves the data or records where age is greater than and less than 20, not 23, not 23. It will not take the record where age is equal to 23, but the values greater and lesser. Here there are no there are no values greater than 23. That means in this case we only get the query fetches only the records less than 23. Execute this and we will see whether we have got all the records where age is equal to less than or greater than 23. Here we don't have greater than 23 age value, so we only got all the records where the age is less than 23. Now coming to next class. Here we have given a class that where grade is equal to B. We are asking query to fetch the record where grade is equal to 23. Before we will see, so here is the table data. Here we see the record under the grade we have one B, another B. Two records are there with the value B. So after executing this query, the query fetches or retrieves only those two records because we are asking to get all the column information. Those two records where grade values are B. Here we have two records found. This way where class works. Retrieves data from the table. Look at the next query. Now we coming to this class. Here we are asking query to fetch data from the table by giving a class where age is greater than 21. Look at the records, table data. Under the age we have 21, 21, but we need greater than 21 value. Under the age we have 23 which is greater than 21. We have found other record which is greater than 21. So after executing this query, the query should retrieve two records from the table where age is greater than 21. Let us see. We are expecting two records from the student table. This is how this operator gets executed. Coming to the next query. In this class, we are asking query to fetch where course is equal to data science. Go to the table. We'll see table information. We have under the course we have data science and data science. 3 data science records we found, and we are also giving the class that and grade is equal to A. We don't want just data record where course value is data science. We are also looking for where with the data science we need grade value is equal to A. If you look at carefully, under the grade, among the 3 data science records, we found only one only one record which has grade is equal to A. So that means after executing this query, the query should fetch only that record where under the course we have data science value, and under the grade we have A value. Look how it filters the record and gives the result set. Now coming to next query. Here we are using OR operator with where clause. We are asking query to fetch records from the student table, giving class where course is equal to data science again. Under the course we see data science records. Here we have 3 data science records. Or course is equal to AML. This R class gives either course is equal to data science or course is equal to AML. Wherever this course, let us execute and see properly. See, this R operator includes all the records where course is equal to data science and course is equal to AML. Let us see when you execute it what this query fetches. Then see, these are the records the query fetched from the student table. See all the records where AML and data science are present at the course. Look at the table. We have AML records 2 and data science records 3. Total 5 records should be shown after executing this. We got 5. 1 to 3. See, this is see the difference between AND operator and OR operator. AND excludes all the excludes the records only where course is equal to data science. In that also it specifies grade is equal to A, where it only fetches those records where we specified later. That means grade is equal to A. R class gives the whole data where course is equal to data science and course is equal to AML. This is how 2 operators work with the SQL query. Now we will work with between. Here we are giving query asking a class that where ID between 1 and 3. Here is the ID column. We are asking query to filter the records only between 1 and 3. After executing this query, we ask it to select all the columns. We'll see. It filtered, it retrieved, the statement retrieved the records where ID between 1 and 3. let us execute this. Coming to. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, click on the bell icon, and please leave the comment. Happy learning. Thank you. Stay tuned to the upcoming sessions.